hope you are all fine. So in the previous lecture we have studied our lesson adaptations of animals and plants. So we have studied about what is adaptation. Adaptation is the change in the structure and behavior of an organism to survive in the environment. So this is the adaptation. So let's see what the adaptations the organisms have developed in a desert habitat. So let's see what is a desert habitat. So desert habitat are the dry areas of the land. So the desert habitat are the dry areas, so they are found almost in all parts of the world. And they are extremely hot, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म इलाके होते हैं during the day, while the evenings are pleasant there. So if we see that the organisms living in the desert habitat they find very harsh environment during day and found a pleasant night. Let's see a proper definition of desert habitat. So the desert habitat is a sandy and pebbly place. Pebbly means where there are stones also. So the sandy and pebbly place receives less than 25 centimeter of rain in a year. So the place sandy place that receives, वहाँ पर बारिश जो है वो लेस देन 25 सेंटीमीटर पर इन अ ईयर होती है. एक साल में 25 सेंटीमीटर से लेस रेन वहाँ पे हो तो उस एरिया को हम क्या कहते हैं? डेजर्ट. So the animals and plants that live in desert habitat have modified themselves to live there. So they have structural and behavioral adaptations. उनके स्ट्रक्चर में और बिहेवियर में कुछ चेंजेस वो अपने अंदर ले आते हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज स्ट्रक्चरल एडेप्टेशन. सो द चेंज इन स्ट्रक्चर टू सर्वाइव इन अ हैबिटेट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रक्चरल एडेप्टेशन. उन्होंने अपनी स्ट्रक्चर में द वे इन विच द फॉर्म इन विच दे हैव चेंज्ड देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम दैट फॉर्म. So this is the structural adaptation. इन्होंने अपनी structure में change लाए हैं. Like cactus have thick stem, so it can store maximum water. So this is a structural adaptation. So let's see what is behavioral adaptation. So some animals hide in themselves in the sun and active at night. So they have behavioral adaptation of this kind that to avoid sunlight they hide themselves in the sun and they may bury themselves under the ground to cool off and comes at night. So they have this kind of behavioral adaptation that they bury or hide themselves in the sun and come out at night or active at night. So this is the behavioral adaptation. So such behavior helping organisms to survive in habitat called behavioral adaptation. So if we see the example of camel is a desert animal. So the camel, a thirsty camel can drink 30 gallons of water in about 30 minutes. So it can survive on that water for 2 weeks. So this is the behavioral adaptation of camel. So let's take an overview of the desert habitat. So the desert habitat are the dry areas of the land and found almost all over the world. So these are the sandy and pebbly places receive less than 25 centimeter of rain and these are extremely hot environment and harsh conditions are there. क्योंकि वहाँ पे survive करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. extreme conditions होती हैं that no one can survive there. पानी की कमी हो जाती है वहाँ पे और इसके अलावा खाने को कुछ नहीं मिलता. So some plants and animals only some plants and animals can survive there. So the animals and plants that can survive there have structural and behavioral adaptations through which they have modified themselves to live in that habitat. So they have structural and behavioral adaptations. Let's see some examples and interesting information about the desert animals. So you can see in the picture that a camel is there. A camel stores fats in its hump. So you can see उभरा हुआ एक portion आप देखेंगे that is hump of the camel. It stores fat in it and uses them when the food is scarce. जब food की कमी हो तो ये उस fat को use करेगा. There is another example of jackrabbits. You can see in the picture that they have huge ears that help them to get rid of body heat. जो body heat को अपने ears की मदद से, कानों की मदद से remove कर सकते हैं. So they have their structural adaptation. So the kangaroo rats, in the next picture you can see that the kangaroo rats never need to drink, so they recycle their water from the foods that they eat. The food they eat, they recycle water from them. They do not need extra water. So they have adapted themselves to their habitat. So next we will see an example of a plant, that is cactus. So the cactus store water in the stems and roots, like I have already mentioned that it can store water so that it will not face the deficiency of water. So this is also structural and adaptation of cactus. So let's see some other plants that bury themselves in the habitat, in their desert habitat, so that to avoid sunlight and they to adapt themselves to their environment. So in this way they bury themselves under the ground or under the desert, so that they can avoid sunlight, or to be cool in the harsh condition of desert. So I have write down your homework on the board. So your home task is to write this question on your notebook. So the question is differentiate between structural and behavioral adaptation with an example. आपने difference लिखना है, दरमियान में लाइन लगाएंगे और एक साइड पे स्ट्रक्चरल और एक साइड पे बिहेवियरल अडेप्टेशन की पहले डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे, एंड नेक्स्ट you will give an example of structural and behavioral adaptation. So we have finished our today's lecture. Hope you understand, and so learn it and write it on your notebooks. Okay, take care and Allah Hafiz.